While there's been many variations of Trader Vic's Royal Hawaiian Mai Tai, our favorite still remains the 1972 version. All right, half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, quarter of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and yes, there's a lot of fruit juice in this Mai Tai. This is like a restaurant type Mai Tai. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice, and finally 1 ounce of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. Follow that up with quarter of an ounce of simple syrup. Yes, I did run out of my homemade stuff. It's so easy to make, but I just didn't have time, so I did run out to the store. Quarter of an ounce of orgeat syrup. Pour that right into the drink there. And then we're gonna follow that up with quarter of an ounce of orange curacao. So I've been mentioning, guys, I've been using Grand Gala right now, trying to look for a more economical orange curacao. It's okay. I guess it's not technically orange curacao, but it'll do. 1 ounce of your favorite light rum using Havana Club Puerto Rican rum here. 1 ounce of Demerara rum. This is my go-to, the 8-year. I've mentioned that the 12 is phenomenal, but I do like to keep that as a sipper. Don't like to waste that. And then 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum using Myers here, because that's a traditional brand that's used across Hawaii and other restaurants. So it was in the 1950s that Trader Vic himself started to put fruit juice, like pineapple juice, in some of his Mai Tais, and that made it more palatable and enjoyable for tourists. You know what I say? If putting fruit juice in a Mai Tai is good enough for Trader Vic, doggone it, it's good enough for me. And there you have the 1972 Royal Hawaiian Mai Tai. Till next time, Jeff at Tiki Drinks at Home.